Getting some perspective. Understanding this essential English phrase. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a very interesting English phrase, get some perspective. This expression is commonly used in both personal and professional conversations, but what does it really mean? Let's break it down together and explore how you can use it effectively in your English conversations. The phrase, get some perspective, essentially means to view a situation or problem from a different point of view, to understand its true importance or impact. It's about stepping back from your immediate thoughts and feelings to look at the bigger picture. This can involve considering other people's views, the long-term effects of a situation, or comparing the issue at hand with more significant problems. Gaining a new perspective is crucial because it can help you reduce stress by realizing that a problem might not be as bad as it initially seems. Encourage empathy by considering others' feelings and viewpoints. Assist in decision-making by evaluating all aspects of a situation. Foster personal growth by understanding different aspects of life and human experiences. You can use get some perspective in various ways. Advising someone. When a friend is overwhelmed, you might say, maybe you should try to get some perspective on the situation. Personal reflection. In moments of stress, remind yourself, I need to get some perspective here. Encouraging debate or discussion. In discussions, you might hear, let's get some perspective on this issue by considering other points of view. 1. In personal relationships. I was so upset about the wedding plans going awry, but after taking some time to get some perspective, I realized the most important thing is that we're getting married. 2. At work. Our team was panicking over the delayed project deadline, but after getting some perspective, we understood it gave us extra time to refine our work. 3. Self-improvement. I used to get frustrated over small inconveniences, but getting some perspective helped me appreciate the good in my life. Get some perspective is more than just a phrase. It's a valuable tool for navigating the complexities of life and interactions. Whether you're dealing with stress, trying to understand others better, or making decisions, stepping back to gain a broader view can be incredibly beneficial. We hope this video has helped you understand how to use and appreciate the power of perspective. Thank you for watching, and see you in our next video.